Audio left-right test. Does it matter? In audio, you need to know your left from your right. And here they are. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Obviously, left should come from your left speaker or left side of your headphones, and right from the right. On headphones, this is straightforward, but on speakers, it's a little more complicated. The question is, who is your listener? Are you the listener? Perhaps you're a producer creating music in your studio. Then left means your left, the same side as your left hand. The same applies to someone who's streaming your track on their hi-fi. Hi-fi implying that they're listening in a concentrated manner, not just playing music in the background. Their left as a listener is the same as your left as the producer. But then there is live sound. Left and right are different depending on whether you're in the audience or on stage. For the audience, left and right are the same sides as their left and right hands, respectively. I'll call this audience left and audience right. But for performers and on-stage workers, left and right are reversed. We call this stage left and stage right. But does it matter? For some types of audio, it doesn't matter all that much. There isn't really any fixed left and right in electronic dance music, for instance. The producer might prefer a certain synthesizer whoosh to come from the left, but it doesn't matter to the listener whether he or she hears it from the right. The same could apply to rock music with guitars and drums. Yes, a drum set has handedness, with the hi-hat normally placed on audience right, stage left. But the drummer might play left-handed, so the drums are set up the opposite way round. A grand piano is a puzzle. Imagine sitting at a piano keyboard. The low note keys are on the left and the high note keys are on the right. But because the strings cross over inside the piano, left and right are somewhat blurred. Even so, for the performer, low notes are generally heard more from the left and high notes are heard more from the right. But if you attend a piano recital as a member of the audience, then because the low strings are longer and extend further to the right, the keyboard end of the piano is always on the left due to the orientation of the lid that reflects sound outwards, then the low notes can be perceived more towards the right and the high notes to the left. Let's think of an orchestra. There is a common conventional layout where the violins are on the left and the cellos and basses are on the right. Clearly, any recording of the orchestra should have left and right the correct way round. Now let's look at a scenario where left and right are extremely important. TV and film drama. You go to see a movie? Actually, you wouldn't mind if all of the dialogue came from the centre speaker behind the screen. That was the normal way in years and decades gone by. But now, there's more stereo placement of the dialogue, so if a character is seen on the left side of the screen, then their dialogue must most definitely come from the left, and vice versa. So, there you have it. Left and right, audience left and audience right, stage left and stage right, and why it's important. I'm David Meller, Course Director of Audio Masterclass. Thank you for listening.